Today is World Hemophilia Day. This day helps people understand a medical condition called hemophilia. People with this condition need extra care and support. We should always be kind and helpful to everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to improve your English easily? Today, you will learn English through a simple and meaningful story. This video will help you improve your vocabulary, understand sentences, and speak English confidently. So let's begin. This is the story of a boy named Arjun. Arjun was a smart and cheerful boy. He loved playing with his friends and enjoyed going to school every day. However, Arjun had a health condition called hemophilia. It was not like other common problems, and he had to be very careful in his daily activities. One day, while playing cricket, Arjun fell down and got a small cut on his hand. At first, he thought it was nothing serious, but the bleeding did not stop. His friends became worried and quickly called his parents. His parents took him to the hospital immediately. The doctor treated him carefully, and after some time, the bleeding stopped. Arjun felt better and smiled again. The doctor advised him to be more careful while playing and to take proper care of his health. Even after this incident, Arjun did not lose hope. He stayed positive and continued his studies. He also helped his friends in school, and everyone liked him for his kind nature. Arjun taught everyone an important lesson. We should always stay strong, be positive, and never give up, no matter what problems we face. Let us understand some important words from the story. Cheerful means happy and positive. Condition means a health problem. Bleeding means blood coming out. Worried means feeling afraid or tense. Careful means doing things safely. Conclusion. So, in today's video, you learned a meaningful story, new English words, and simple sentences. If you practice daily, you can speak English confidently. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.